Okay, so let's start. Um, yes, very good morning to all of you. So the chapter today I will be taking your English grammar. Okay, and the chapter I have started, that is chapter number 1, the sentence. All of you have opened your book, and page number 1 I have already completed, and today I will do from page number 2, the C part. C part. All of you can do this in your book also. Okay. In the C part, it is saying that add suitable words to complete these sentences. Okay. So in this fill in the blanks, you can see that we need to add suitable words to complete the meaning and to complete the sentence. Okay. And at the right side of the page, you can see some of the pictures. And by looking at the pictures, you can understand that which kind of a word you need to place. Okay, so first one you can see that is already done for you. The girl is dash, and we can see in the picture that the girl, yes, swinging. So this is already done. The girl is swinging. Okay, and now number 2, we will start from number 2. Ajay is a dash boy. Ajay is a dash boy. So can you tell me the answer? Yes. By looking at the picture, we can say that yes, he is studying, he is a good boy, and we can also write that he is studying, so he is a studious boy. Right? We can also write that. You can write good, or you can write, because you can see in the picture that the boy is studying, so we can write studious also. Okay, studious boy. Ajay is a good or studious boy, whatever you may prefer, you can write. Okay, number 3. She is dash her hands with soap. She is dash her hands with soap. So what we can see in the picture? Yes, very good. Parvez, Suraya, and the other ones? Can you tell me? Yes, Riyad, very good. Kaustubh, right? So, yes, washing. We can also see in the picture that she is washing her hands with soap. Washing. Right? Yes, very good. Washing. Number 4. The dash gives us milk. The dash gives us, we all know the answer, right? The dash gives us milk. Yes, we all know the answer. Very good. That yes, the cow, and we can also see in the picture the cow. We all know the answer. The cow gives us milk, right? Now come to number 5. The clown is a dash on an elephant. The clown is dash on an elephant. What we can see? Yes, Shuraya. No, Orithro. Yes, Shobik, Kaustubh, Parvez. I'll check a little bit. Think about it more. Yes. So we can see in the picture also that the clown is sitting. Yes, we can write riding also. Right? Yes. Sitting on an elephant. Okay. So all of you up to this completed. Will I erase the board? Because I need to write the rest ones. All of you have completed in your book? So will I erase the board? I want to know from all of you. That yes, I will check it at the end of the class. Okay, Riyad. Okay. Let me complete all of these, then I will check. Okay. So I'm erasing the board now. From number 6. Number 6 it is, mother is in the dash. Yes, very good, Kaustubh. Shuraya, right? Very good. So we can see also in the picture that mother is in the kitchen. Yeah, very good. Number 7. Dash live in an igloo. Dash live in an igloo. Yes, we can write these as very good. Antarctica. Here Antarctica is not written here. Okay, so we can write penguins, or also we can write Eskimos. We all know penguins, or you can write also Eskimos that live in an igloo. Penguins or Eskimos that live in igloo. And number 8, the last one. Okay, I will check Bithika. Just finish. Let me finish the last one. We lay down on the dash and dash grass. We lay down on the dash and so we can write on the we can write here green and soft grass, or soft or green, whatever you may like. We lay down on the green and soft grass. Okay, we laid. Okay, let me check. Parvez, penguins, kitchen, sitting cow, washing it down, green and soft grass. Penguin, okay. Riding, you can also write. Washing, good, okay. Shubhecha, the picture is not clear, dear. We lay down on the Riyadh, we lay down on the ground and what it is written, ground not, green and soft grass. Then sitting cow, and the upper portion is not clear, dear Riyadh. Yes, so write it down, green, we lay down on the green and soft grass. Okay, all of you have done. So now I will take your present. All of you write your name and okay, Shubhecha, you have not completed yet. All of you have done. Let me know. Yes, now it is okay, Bitika. Shobik, your handwriting is very good. She is, just Shobik, look at the, she is washing. Where is G? Washing, look at the spelling. Now, all of you please give your present. I will take your present now. Then I will repeat all these once again. No one will leave the class until you will be absent. Okay? So give your present. No one will leave now. Suraya, your roll number you will come to know eventually, dear. Oritri Pramanik. Oritri Bithika. Iman. Kostad. Parvez. Okay. Riyadh. Shobik. No one will leave. Shuraya. Shubhecha. Okay. Suraya, okay, fine. Shubhecha, you have done. Again, Shubhecha, I cannot understand your page. You have clicked the picture very far, from a very distance. You have clicked the picture. Okay. So let me discuss. All of you just check all the answers once again. I'm telling you once again that number 2, Ajay is a studious or a good boy. You can write. She is number 3. She is washing her hands with soap. Number 4, the cow gives us milk. Number 5, the clown is sitting or riding, you can say, on an elephant. Number 6, mother is in the kitchen. Number 7, Eskimos or penguins or Eskimos live in an igloo. And number 8, we lay down on the green and soft grass. Okay, so all of you have done, completed, all of you, let me know. And by doing all the exercises, the one chapter of from your grammar book has completed. Okay, and from the next day I may start marigold or grammar, another chapter. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye all of you.